Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to reset your Pandora Jewellery account password. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information or make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, head over to any web browser on your mobile device, go to pandora.net, and then once you're here, click on your profile icon. As you can see, you're not logged in currently, and from here you'll have a forgot password. So click on forgot password, add in your email, so then please enter your registered email address to receive an email to reset your password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, I've added in my email address. Now I'm going to click on submit. Give this a few moments to load. Alright, it says here password reset email sent. We've sent you an email with the information needed to reset your password. So go ahead and check your email account for that reset. Alright, here it is, Pandora Online Store AU, have you forgotten your password? So click into this, scroll down, and then click on reset my password. So now this is going to bring up a web browser where you can create a new password and confirm a new password. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.